The new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is here, and it's taking on Apple's latest Watch Ultra 3. While Samsung has introduced a brighter display, a faster Snapdragon Wear Elite processor, Galaxy AI features, and a larger battery, Apple is doubling down on its seamless ecosystem, advanced safety tools, and outdoor performance. In this comparison, we'll break down how these two flagship smartwatches differ and help you decide which Ultra is the better choice for you. If you enjoy smartwatch comparisons like this, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar and let's get started. Price comparison: the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 starts at $699.99, making it Samsung's most premium smartwatch to date. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 also starts at $799, so Apple costs around $100 more. Both watches include LTE as standard and are built with premium titanium materials. Design, build, and display. Both watches are built for adventure, but they have very different designs. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 keeps Samsung's rugged circular design with a titanium case, sapphire crystal glass, and a 5000 nit Super AMOLED display, making it one of the brightest smartwatch displays available. Samsung has also made it slimmer and lighter than the previous Ultra. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 continues with its signature rectangular titanium design, featuring a larger flat display, action button, digital crown, and exceptional outdoor readability. It integrates seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem and offers a more compact feel despite its rugged build. Samsung feels more like a traditional watch, while Apple prioritizes functionality and usability. Battery life. Battery life is one of Samsung's biggest upgrades this year. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 features a massive 800 mAh battery paired with the new Snapdragon Wear Elite processor, delivering up to 60 hours of typical use with improved efficiency. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 still delivers excellent endurance, lasting up to 36 hours in normal use and up to 72 hours in low power mode. Whereas Apple's low power mode is ideal for extended outdoor adventures. Connectivity and key features. Both watches support LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC payments, dual frequency GPS, voice assistance, and advanced smartphone integration. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 runs Wear OS 7 with One UI Watch 9, giving access to Google Maps, Google Gemini, Samsung Wallet, Google Play apps, and Galaxy AI features. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 runs Watch OS with Apple Intelligence integration, Apple Pay, Apple Maps, Emergency SOS via satellite, precision finding, and deep integration with the iPhone ecosystem. If you're an Android user, Samsung is the obvious choice, while iPhone users will benefit far more from Apple's seamless ecosystem. Health, fitness, and GPS features. Both smartwatches offer premium health tracking, including ECG, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, sleep analysis, stress tracking, temperature sensing, and advanced workout tracking. Samsung introduces several new Galaxy AI features on the Ultra 2, including heart health score, daily cardio load, fitness index, vitals monitoring, improved body composition analysis, hydration insights based on sweat loss, GPX trail navigation, and upcoming diving support. These additions make the Ultra 2 a much stronger fitness watch than its predecessor. Apple Watch Ultra 3 counters with industry-leading safety features like Emergency SOS via satellite, advanced running metrics, dive support, precision dual-frequency GPS, and one of the most accurate heart rate and workout tracking systems available. While Samsung focuses on AI-powered health insights, Apple emphasizes accuracy, safety, and tight integration with Fitness Plus and the Apple Health ecosystem. Final verdict. If you're an Android user, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is the better choice thanks to its brighter display, larger battery, Galaxy AI features, and excellent value for money. However, if you're already using an iPhone, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 remains the best option because of its seamless ecosystem integration, advanced safety features, and outstanding fitness tracking. Both are among the best premium smartwatches available today. The right choice ultimately depends on which smartphone ecosystem you're already invested in. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped you choose the right smartwatch, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next comparison.